Today we're taking you into the world of toiletry. What is that? What does that mean really? Well, it means that the Willem Johannes is getting herself a new toilet, a dry toilet, one from Seperatt, the villa. And we received it in 2 boxes. One, of course, contained the toilet with all the basic items such as pipes and screws and filters, and 2 buckets with a lid. Now the other contained extras like a child toilet seat and special bags, etc. But then we first watched the YouTube video on how to install. We changed the location of the urine pipe because in our case it should be on the right, which was fairly easy really. We added the filter and connected the 12-volt ventilator, which removes any smells via an external pipe, which in our case is like this. We then removed the old toilet, did some thorough cleaning, which was apparently quite necessary, and we cleaned the urine extraction pipe on the right. And we did all of this in 2 hours. And of course we bolted the toilet also to the floor, apart from the rear end. These were the tools we basically used. The dry toilet leaves option for composting, biodegenerate bags, and ordinary bags to add to your garbage. When a dry toilet is quite simple to use, everything is done sitting down really, but we still made an explanatory for anyone who visits the Willem Johannes. We'll soon get into details though, through the Dutch Watersportcast, which is a podcast, which we will also place on our YouTube channel so you can subtitle and read along with it. If you want to know more, check out separett.com. See you soon.